Yeah, hello guys. How you guys doing? I'm super excited to be here again. Here's our weekly analysis again. I should have released this a long time ago, like around 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, around 3 o'clock. But I was so occupied throughout today. You can't believe I've just entered home now, guys. It's crazy, but just as I used to, I must drop it so that you guys can make some money out of it. Okay. So I'll be starting with US oil today. Let's just dive straight into the point. I'll be starting with US oil today, and I'll show you guys what I'm seeing according to my analysis. I'm seeing this. I'm currently seeing this. I'm currently seeing this. Yeah, I'm currently seeing this channel in which price is doing, impulsive, then correctional, then impulsive. Let's just to this point. Then we have this correctional to this point. Then, guys, what are you expecting? You're expecting a what? You're expecting an impulsive move to the downside. An impulsive move to the downside. The question is, where can we enter this market? Where can we enter? Where can we take advantage of this market? Yeah, trust me, guys. Whether you like it or not, price is coming to this point. Whether you like it or not, price is coming here. So once price comes to this point, once price come and visit this point this way, don't buy, don't buy. Price is going to reject. Price is going to reject, according to what I've seen so far. Price is going to reject from this point, bounce up a bit. Then from around this point here, around this point, I'm coming. Let me drop it for you guys. Okay, yeah. Around this point here, you look to short. Yeah, from that point, you look to short around that point. So if price does not do this, what you should be anticipating again is if price come to break this point here, like break this point here, what you should be expecting is a retest on this support that is becoming resistance now to what? To shoot down. So what I'll be giving you guys is, just as you've known, bias, my bias. So that's it. That's what I'm anticipating. That's for US oil. Let's do gold. It will be very fast. XAU, USD. Let's do gold. Let me show you. My bias on gold is buy, 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 buy. So I did some analysis, and according to what I've seen, price is currently at this zone. Let me go to my daily time frame so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. Okay, beautiful. So price is currently at this zone. But with what I'm seeing here, price is too bullish. That's the word. This price here is too bullish. So if we have this trend line from this point, let's say this is the first trend line. If you have to draw it from this point, this is the first trend line, which is very, 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 let me call it long. So what is the characteristics of this trend line? We have this point here, from this point here to this point, impulsive, correctional, to expect a what? An impulsive move to the upside. An impulsive move to the upside, okay? So now, based on this fact, so we know that we are currently trading an impulsive move here, right? This is an impulsive move. Going to 4 hours. What do we have on 4 hours? Now, breaking that trend, okay, 4 hours. Breaking that trend down, inside that trend line, there's another trend line. So remember that song, inside that you're another day. So, we have this impulsive move again, inside that impulsive move now, correctional, to have a what? An impulsive move. So don't be surprised if we have another correctional to this side before we continue up, right? Just know that our bias is to go up. But now that doesn't mean we won't have what's it called? Opportunity to short. So let's go to H1 now. Can you see how I'm breaking down my bias now? Let's go to H1. Beautiful. So now another trend line inside that trend line. Another trend line inside that trend line. So now look at this now. We've already have our first touch here, second touch here, third touch here, fourth touch here, fifth touch here. So now, don't be surprised when the next pull down that is going to happen here should break this trend line, because the more the touches on a trend line, the weaker it's become. So now, see, there are three ways, there are two ways to trade a trend line. Is either you trade a trend line bounce or you trade a trend line break. For me, if I will be trading this trend line, I would love to trade the break. Why? Because this trend line is already showing me signs of weakness by having multiple touches, right? So now, if there's a break here, we'll wait for us to see that break in this structure, because this is the market structure that led to the pull-up. Once price break this point, what I'll be anticipating if I will be short in this market this week, so now is a pull back to short to this trend line, then overall to long. Are you getting me? So that's my own bias as a swing trader. This is what I'll be looking out for. Let's do GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD. Let's do GBP USD. Okay. What do we have here? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. So let's start from daily. What do we have on our daily time frame? What do we have on our daily time frame? Okay. With what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing a bullish move. Yeah, a bullish move. And inside this bullish move, we have, let's go to H4. This is the bullish move I have here. Inside this bullish move, this is the trend, the first trend. We have this trend line here. I mean this trend line now. So now, to me, according to what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing this here. Okay, let's go to each one. Let me show you what I'm seeing. Look at this trend line. Don't forget what I said earlier. We have this first touch in this trend line here, second touch here, third touch here, fourth touch here. At this fifth touch, look at what happened. The trend line was broken. So that's what I was anticipating on gold. Do you not see now? So now I'm seeing this as a retest on this trend line. A retest on this trend line to go what? To go short. Where's our destination? This trend line here. Do you see it? So it is possible for us to have this market range. Like give this, do this now, do this, then do this, something like that. Overall, it's going to touch this trend line according to what I'm seeing. Okay. So now this is just a bias. That doesn't mean when market open, I'm going to do what I'm saying immediately. There are some things I still want to see. Okay. There are some things I still want to see in the market. So now, what pair again? Let's do Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Let's do Euro USD. Already on Euro, we've already had that break. That break has happened. Let's go to daily time frame and let's see what the market is having for us. Okay, okay. So in fact, let's do this together now. So the number one thing you can see here is what? Is this trend line, right? You can see this trend line, right? This is the trend line. So let's push down, let's push to H4. Coming to H4, you can see this trend. This trend should hold this way. Should be here. Yes. Exactly here. Yeah. So yeah, so this is the trend. What you have here are just fake out. So now, trend was broken. Now, where are you expecting price? We are expecting price as this trend, okay? So what you can have here is price push up. From this point, price should push up to this point. Then we short, okay? We short. So we can start having like this, then to this point. So here is the destination. So now what I am expecting here is price to be bullish a bit, then to drop. So that's what I'm expecting. So going to H1, yeah, still same thing. I'm still expecting that. I'm still expecting price to come to this point. around this point here. I'm still expecting price should come to somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, exactly, somewhere around here. Still expecting price around here, okay? So that's what I'm anticipating. So I'm just here to show you guys bias. Okay? Yeah. So that's that. So what pair again? So what pair again should I do for you guys? I believe that's the major pairs people are trading. US 30. People will love US 30. US 30 is extremely bullish. US 30. Let's see what US 30 is doing. Extremely bullish. Very, very, very bullish. So if you're doing anything on indices now, it's buying US 30, SP 500. These guys are very bullish, very bullish. So let's see what we have. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Yeah. So now this is what I'm telling you guys now. So let me just use this to explain something to you guys. Now look at what happened here. I didn't take this trade. I believe some people will learn something here, especially for those that trade zone, that trade supply and demand. Look at what happened here now. See price. Price came to this line here, to this area here. And at first, when price was around this point, let me point it out. When price was around this point here, can you see the cyclic candle price is giving? But it never gave a very strong bullish candle to show that it's coming down. That was what I was expecting when I had that mark there. I was expecting price to show a sign of, being bullish, being bearish rather. Like I'm expecting a strong bearish candlestick to trigger that sell move. But rather, see what happened. Price pushed up and closed healthily above this point here. So if I'm to trade this market, what will I be expecting? I'll be expecting price should retrace down a bit, then I long with it to this next resistance here. Okay, so I'm expecting price should come down a bit. And why am I saying that? Let me show you something. When price broke through this point here, see what happened? Price retested and price start coming down, right? So look at this point here. When price broke this point down and broke this point, price retested, in fact, deep retest, giving another support before going up. So anytime price is breaking zone, it's love to retest. Doesn't just love to break zones like that, including this one that happened here. This breakout, this break, a retest, then it continued, that order continue. That's what I'm expecting here. So that's for US 30. Same thing for NASDAQ. Same thing for SP 500. These pairs are related. I'm sorry, this class will be so short this way. Trust me, as I've said, I just have to do this in hurry for those that are anticipating. So it's here now. So you guys should please like, subscribe, comment, and whatever topic you guys want me to take, just put it in the comment section box. And trust me, racing is going to do justice to that. So see you guys later. Bye, guys.